Hey everyone, and over my left-hand shoulder was one of the most popular, busiest KFCs in the Sarasota area. Hello, nice getting recognized. In the Sarasota area, 3780 Bee Ridge Road, and it's closed like so many other KFCs across the country. So I'm going to do a little tour of this place, tell you about why so many of them are closing, and stay tuned, hope you enjoy it. So as you can see, this whole building's been whitewashed, so let's go take a look and see what we can see. So soon after this KFC closed, this is a standard KFC. Soon after they closed, KFC came along and literally painted it over, took all the signage off of it. Now, if you remember, KFC is owned by Yum Brands, which also owns Taco Bell and Long John Silver. So, you know, apparently what's going on with a lot of these KFCs across the country is that why so many are closing is that the trends have changed. You know, places like Raising Cane's and Chick-fil-A, people don't want to deal with chicken on the bone anymore, apparently. They want to just deal with, you know, chicken tenders, chicken sandwiches. So this is causing the demise of a lot of these KFCs. And also Yum Brands, because they own Taco Bell, and that's doing pretty well, they're focusing a lot stronger on Taco Bell and kind of leaving these by the wayside. So let's go up to the door now, see what we can see here. So as you can see, we got the standard KFC with the front counter in there. They've taken out all the cash registers, literally all the signing whatsoever, completely. You can see back here the vestiges of where the waiting area used to be, a little bit of the dining room right there. This could be a restaurant. If someone wants to open up this as a restaurant or something, obviously like a restaurant or some kind of different kind of concept, it would be like ready to order. It wouldn't take you long to fix this up. It's all to code and everything. So let's take a walk around. Look at that, a McDonald's bag. You know, you got everything around here. This was, of course, their drive-through. And cars used to enter in this way. Now, what's funny is that you think about this restaurant closing, straight down this road, about 2 miles, I'll put up a quick picture of it, is literally the most popular beach in America, Siesta Key Beach. So, and this would be the return trip back to I-75 on this side of the highway or this side of the road. So for this to close is crazy because this was hopping at one time. So here was your KFC sign. Now again, like I said, someone could come in here and just kind of fix this up really quick and get this thing going. But you think about all the cars that have traversed this road since this KFC opened. Now we're going to be able to look in this window right over here. I'll show you more of the dining room. But you think about, look at that pretty new air conditioner on top there. You got everything you need here. I don't know if we could still see any vestiges of what used to be KFC, but that's all gone. The logos. Let's go look and see if we can see something in the dining room. Yeah, so here's the dining room now. It looks like there's some difficulty with the roof a little bit. You have some ceiling tiles on the floor. So if someone were to come in here, they'd have to fix that part of the roof, but everything is in here that you would need. You got tables still in there. They took the chairs out, but you got your tables. I mean, the furniture and the fixtures look like they're in pretty good condition. So this would be a really easy startup to come in and just, you probably have to invest some money, but like I said, it's got everything you need. So continuing down the drive-through here, let's see what we see on this side. Again, you think of how many cars. Now this is the out to a parking lot. You got a Publix over here, a Home Goods and an AutoZone. So you wouldn't be able to do it. This is the exit. You wouldn't be able to do a double drive-through. But hey, again, everything is all right here. Look at that. Here's inside the back side of the restaurant, so to speak, with the men's and ladies room. Again, everything looks in good condition. These floors, they're like the Burger King floors. They're like iron. These will last forever. Here we are going around there. You think about, geez, how many buckets of chicken they sold out of here. How many biscuits came, were sold through here. I mean, it's probably staggering. And you know what's really interesting is you think about the founder of KFC, Colonel Holland Sanders. he was a real fascination story because he's one of the guys in history who probably made it rich. Like, they say if you're going to become a millionaire, it tends to happen when you're younger, like 20s, 30s. Oftentimes it'll happen. But Harlan Sanders actually became very rich when he was 66 years old. That's when it really hit for him. And look at that, you got a camera up there. I doubt that's working. But he hit it very late in life. And, there's something like, I think, 20,000 KFCs across America. But they're closing rapidly. So here you got your drive-through. And again, it wouldn't take much. I mean, shoot, I wish... I'd love to put a concept in here, but again, getting older, and I could sure think up, I'm pretty creative when it comes to different concepts. I could sure think up something cool to put in here, but it takes a lot of work, a lot of commitment. Look at that. Here's your drive-through window. You don't often get to see the full drive-through window perspective, but here it is. This is where they had the soda machine right there. And of course, KFC is what they call a blue company. It works with Pepsi as opposed to a red company, which is Coca-Cola. There's your window. Look at this, still in really good shape. Everything here is in great shape. Look at that. There's your prep table right there where all the bags would be. Code certificates. Looks like you have a speaker system throughout. Hey, there's one chair still left in there. Like I said, this wouldn't take much to get going. Look at that. And again, this is where you would come out. Boy, back in the day, I mean, of course, I remember when this was all lit up. All the neon signs look really nice at night. I'm a big fan of neon signs, obviously at night. And but like I said, the building is really structurally sound. It almost sounds like I'm almost selling this as real estate, but I'm not. But it's just like I said, you have ample parking over here. And everything looks pretty good. You probably would need a new air conditioner. And probably take very little to put this up to code. But as I say, ample parking all around. Bee Ridge Road, which goes right into exit 207 on Bee Ridge Road, which goes right into Sarasota, Siesta Key Beach. You got other kinds of stores right around here. A lot of anchor stores. You got, like I said before, AutoZone, Home Goods, Publix in the next one, Walgreens across the street. You got a Chase Bank. It'd be real easy to do your banking right across the street. And here's the old sign. You'd have a sign right over here. Look at this. This is the obviously the sign you'd see from the road. It's funny, when this KFC was closing, they had a picture up here of Colonel Sanders. And like every week, like the local kids would put like a different like kind of image. Like they didn't deface the sign, but they would put like a different like little like either like a hat on him, or they would put like, him smoking a cigarette or something, like a stick-on type thing. And then of course the last thing was it said that it was closed. But again, you got all your hardware in here, your ballast, everything to get this going again. But as I say, it goes to show you how things come and go in America. Again, it's not the healthiest option. You have places like Raising Cane's, which is getting stronger, and Chick-fil-A, which does a phenomenal business. But as far as KFC goes, looks like it's going by the wayside. All right, so that's going to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this tour of a closed KFC here in Sarasota, Florida. I think more of these are going to happen across America as we go on. And, at one particular point, we were able to say, hey, we went to KFC at one point or another, for a bucket of chicken and for a biscuit or a chicken pot pie or any of the other amazing things that they still have. So this is Al signing off. I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself and please subscribe. See you in the next one. Take care. Finger looking good. KFC. At least not anymore here at this one. See you next time. Bye now.